Hi, I'm AJ, and this is Absolut Drinks with AJ. So today we found a really old recipe, or the crew found an old recipe, and it's a drink called AJ. You can really taste how the Calvados comes through with the appley flavor, and then the more savory and bitter grapefruit juice comes and breaks it off. So AJ is gonna make an AJ's. I've never tried this drink. It does have my name on it, so I need to try it. I'm gonna grab. Jesus. Jesus. We're gonna grab our shaker. We're gonna ice the big one up. And then the grapefruit juice. We're gonna do 45 mils. There we go. Same amount of Calvados, 45 mils per drink. And then we're gonna do 10 mils per drink. So that's 20 of the simple syrup. Sockerlag. So simple syrup in Swedish, we would say sockerlag, which is a sugar team, if you translate it directly. It's all about the team spirit. Just pour it over, and then we're gonna shake it. There you go, you can see it's ready. And we put a glass in the freezers. They've been in there for just a couple of minutes. And then we're gonna double strain it to get it really fine. It has a really nice pinkish color to it. There we go. And I'm not gonna garnish it because I like it the way it is and it's my drink. So here we have the AJ's. I've never tried it, so this is a first. So let's try it. Yeah, it's a really nice drink. So if you want to see more of my face, just hit the subscribe below, hit the like, give it a thumbs up, and hopefully I'll pop up on your screen soon again. So I'm AJ. This is AJ's drink, made the AJ's way with Absolut Drinks with AJ. Today is AJ Day. Cheers. AJ.